हेलो बच्चों, नमस्कार। In today's class, we will discuss class 11th subject English theme of all the poems just in one video. Without wasting the time, let's start the video. Our first poem is a photograph. A photograph composed by Shirley Towson. Okay. So what are the major themes of this poem? Let's discuss one by one. The first theme of this poem is to show missing old family times. Show missing old family times. The second theme of this poem is to describe time changes people, but memories stay forever. The third and the last theme of this poem is to describe the feelings to describe the feelings of a daughter who has lost her mother. These are the three major themes of this poem. Which poem? The photograph, which is composed by Shirley Towson. Our second poem is poem number 2. Our second poem is the Lembrum Top, composed by Ted Hughes. Okay, so what are the major themes of this poem? The first theme of this poem is to describe how trees and words complement each other in nature. To describe how trees and words complement each other in nature. The second theme of this poem is to describe how quietness or boringness of nature goes out when words come. The third theme of this poem is life is full of energy and fun in the shade of nature. Okay, so this is the second poem, that is Lambrum Top, composed by Ted Hughes, and these are the three themes of this poem. Now our third poem is The Voice of the Rain. Poem number third. What is the name of the third poem? The Voice of the Rain, composed by Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman. Okay. So what are the theme of this poem? Themes. The first theme of this poem is to describe, to show that rain gives water and makes the earth green and a lively planet. Okay. The second theme of this poem is to describe the rain cycle or water cycle. Third theme, to compare rain and the rain and the poem, that both have the same journey. Okay. Then the fourth theme of this poem is to learn something from the earth when everything seems destructed. What lately proved alive. Okay, and our fourth poem is childhood. Poem number 4, that is childhood, composed by Marcus Nutton. And what are the major themes of this poem? The first one is to describe or highlight that A child has used simple thinking. To describe that a child has simple thinking. Second one is to show to show the simple and true thoughts of a child. Third theme of this poem is to describe the hypocrisy of the adults that they say something but do something another. The fourth theme of this poem to show or find the answers of one's questions on gradual growth. ठीक? Then our last poem is Father to Son. Father to Son. Poem is composed by Carl Sandburg. Okay, so what are the major themes of this poem? The themes of this poem are to highlight generation gap. The second one is to describe anger out of love for a father for his son, of a father for his son. Okay, third one is to accept and understand each other despite having differences. Dear students, these are the themes of the 5 poems that are in our curriculum. We have short answer type question from these themes that are of 3 marks. For more videos, subscribe my channel.